Identify value of a digit. We have learnt about place values of a digit. So here we have to identify the place value of different digits. In this sum, we have to identify the place value of 8. What you should do is you should keep the digit for which you want to find the place value, put 1 in that place, and all others you put 0, because the value of that digit is not affected by the other digits. So all other digits become 0 and that digit becomes 1. So the place value of 8 is 10,000. It is like if you have to give 81,374 rupees, you have to give 8 notes of 10,000 rupees. So the answer is C. The digit 9 in which represents a value of 90. So 90 in A, 9 represents 9 ones. In B, 9 represents 9,000. And in C, 9 represents 90. As I said, we can put 1 here and 0 here. 9 notes of 10 rupees is 90. The answer is C. Check. What value does 3 represent in the number 7,80,643? What is the value of 3? What value does 3 represent? So we'll make all other digits 0 and only keep the digit whose value we want, 3. Remember, the place value of this digit is 1 and the value that this digit represents is 3. So the answer is 3. What is the place value of 9 in 22,19,775? So we want place value. Place value meaning the kind of note that we want. So all other digits will become 0, 0, 0, and this will become 1 because we want place value. If we want value, this digit will be 9. If we want place value, then this digit will be 1 and all other digits become 0. So how much is this number? 1000. That is B. the digit 3 in which number represents a value of 3000? Let us see. In A, it represents 3000. In B, it represents 30,000. And in C, it represents 300. So the answer is A. What value does 2 represent in the number 3208? So we will make all other digits as 0 and this digit will remain 2. Remember the difference between value and place value of the digit. The value of the digit is 200. The place value of the digit 2 is 100. 2 100 rupee notes. So the answer is 200. What is the place value of 1 in 1 million or 10 lakhs? Okay. So we keep 1 as it is because we want to find the place value of it. And all other digits we make 0. This is 1 million. 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, and in the English system 100,000 and 1 million. So the answer is 1 million. C.